Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be sharing how I can actually add some CSS styling to my website. So what I will do, I'm going to go back to my website that I created earlier. And what I will do, I'll go to my code that I created initially. Let me open my code in my text editor. Okay, choose a text editor of your choice. And I'll use Notepad because it's what I comes pre-installed on my computer. When I open Notepad, I can access my code. So what I need to do before I actually start editing, I need to create a CSS file that is called styles. And this is in this file that I'm going to edit my navigation. So the first thing I need to do is to edit my margins, and I'm going to write the code for that, which is margins. I'm going to give it a margin of 0 because I want everything to be well aligned. Padding of 0 as well, just like that. I want to give a box sizing for the borders. It's going to be border box, just like that. And I'm going to close that area of the margin. The thing I need to do is to edit my navigation bar. I'm going to change the background color of the navigation bar so that it has this hash color code. We shall see how that looks like. And then I'm going to, as you write your CSS, make sure you end it with a semicolon, which was different from what we are doing in HTML. We're not ending with semicolons. We're ending with the tags, opening and closing tags. For this particular CSS editing, when you're adding colors and editing the fonts, we have to end our every line that we write with a semicolon. So the hash 333 will give it a dark color. Then we shall fix our padding as well, yeah, with 10 pixel, something like that. And then we shall also close that, and we need to still edit our navigation list. And then this is how we're going to edit that one. We're going to say list style. So we remove the horizontal, the vertical alignment, and we say none, just like that. And then we are going to change the display to flex, just like that, so that everything will appear in the horizontal bar. I'm also going to justify the content, so that I center align it, that everything appears in the center, just like that. So I've fixed that, and I need to see the effect of this that I've done. I need to see the effect of this that I've done. So what I need to do is to save my file. I need to save my file in my folder, and I'm going to save it as styles.css, choose all files, and I'm going to save that in my same folder. Now when I come to my previous file, I need to open it, another text document. Okay, I need to find my HTML code that I wrote previously. What will I do? I'll choose here all files that they displayed for me. What I'm interested in is this HTML code that I'll open there. And now I need to come to here, my head tag, and edit it. So this is where my styles information is going to appear. I need to come in the head tag, and make some changes. Make some changes in the head tag. So the changes I'm going to make, I'm going to add some metadata. But I may not add metadata for now for this particular one. Let me add the link that will reference our CSS. So add the link, I will say link, and then I will I call the link that will navigate us to our CSS. So it's a link, you say link, relocate, and then we are looking at the style sheet, just like that. The reference where we getting it from is our styles dot CSS, just like that. We're getting it from our styles dot CSS, just like that, and then we are closing our tag. We are closing our tag. So in this way, this will be able to link our styles CSS that we created to our current website. So we need to save this, Control S, and then now we try to run our website and see what happens. Wow, interesting. So we have a nav bar there. Then we have, when we click on the home tab, see what happens. We also go back here, about us. Let's reload this again. So we see that the nav bar is black and the about us section. So we're going to see how we can put a space in between this, but we have achieved the horizontal alignment. At least for now, we have the horizontal alignment. So that's how that's how we are working with our CSS. So let's just do a brief rewind of the CSS code that we have written. We're looking at, maybe we're interested in the CSS code that we have written, which is styles. We open that. We're looking at the borders that we are fixing. We fixed the navigation background area, gave it a padding. We fixed our list and put a flex on it and justified it to be in the center. So that's how we fix that.